Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Honda HR-V. First, gather your tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need 4.2 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil and a new oil filter. Always prioritize safety by using jack stands and wearing protective gloves. This ensures a smooth and secure process. Once your HR-V is safely elevated, locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it to catch the old oil. Using your 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let the oil drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. This step is crucial for a clean oil change. After the oil has drained, remove the old oil filter. It's usually hand-tightened or requires an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal. Then, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to 29 foot-pounds to prevent leaks. Now it's time to add the fresh oil. Carefully pour 4.2 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil into the engine's fill port. Once filled, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, then turn it off. Check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Remember to check the description for links to products mentioned and other great deals, like Little Tree's Black Ice Air Fresheners. Enjoy your freshly serviced HR-V.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.